Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of m and n where m square plus 8 is equal to 3 to the power n and m and n are integer. Or taking this m square to right side and writing right side to left, we will have 3 to the power n minus m square is equal to 8. Or 3 to the power n can be written as 3 to the power n over 2 whole square. This 2 and 2 will cancel out, so it will be 3 to the power n minus m square is equal to 8. Or applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, we will have 3 to the power n over 2 plus m times 3 to the power n over 2 minus m is equal to 8 can be written as 8 times 1 is equal to 4 times 2. Now the product of left side is 3 to the power n over 2 plus m and 3 to the power n over 2 minus m. The sum of this product is 3 to the power n over 2 plus m plus 3 to the power n over 2 minus m is equal to this m and m will cancel out, so it will be 2 times 3 to the power n over 2. Now the sum of the product of right side will be 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and for this case 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. But this is multiple of 2, so this cannot be 9 as for integer solution, so it will be equivalent to 6. So we can write it as is equal to 6. Or dividing both side by 2, we will have 3 to the power n over 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Or 3 to the power n over 2 is equal to 3 to the power 1. Or here base are same, so power will be equal, so we can write n over 2 is equal to 1. Now if we multiply both side by 2, we will get n is equal to 2. So substituting the value of n in the main equation, we will get m square plus 8 is equal to 3 square. Or m square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 minus taking this 8 to right side, we will get 9 minus 8. Or m square is equal to 1. Now if we square root both side, we will get m is equal to plus or minus 1. So the solution of this equation, m is equal to plus or minus 1 and n is equal to 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.